Hey internets! So I just got a comment today from Kevin Haag, or Haag? Sorry if I'm mispronouncing your last name. Kevin saw my latest custom slider tutorial video and he left a comment saying, I think you could have achieved the effect of the plate rotating in if you had structured it in something like this. And taking a look, it seems like he made something in like Illustrator or something, or some other prototyping tool. And so he says that having the lazy Susan and then having a plate container and then a plate and having the plate inside of that container and then rotating the plate container itself rather than the plate. And I thought, oh, that makes more sense. So I'm gonna try it now inside of Webflow and we'll see if it works. Okay, so we're here on the Webflow project, and it's just like I had it in my last video. I haven't touched it since then, except for we're making it responsive. Okay, so it fits most of the stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and do that lazy Susan effect. So right now, all I have is the plate, but let me open up that tab again. Okay, so like I said, all I have is the plate, but I need a plate container that holds the plate. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So I'm going to drag in this right here. We're going to call it plate container. Okay, and this plate container is going to go right there. So nothing's changed as of yet. But let's see, what can I do? We have the main content, plate container. What's this plate container doing? I think it's the whole, because it's up here, I think it's the whole page. Yeah? Let's see, what if I do this? Flex it. Nothing's happening. Is it because the plate is set to, there it is. Now I remember, the plate is set to position absolute, and that's hitting the bottom, so let's do this. Let's remove position absolute. Alright, that's what I want. So this plate container, let's set it to 100 VH on the height. And that don't look like a plate anymore. Oh, it's because I have this stretch right here. So I don't want it stretched. I want it, let's go center. There we go. Alright, using Flexbox, I have it to the left and vertically center. And what else did he do? So yeah, so I'm doing exactly what he has. And so if I take this plate container and say we'll set this to position, let's say position absolute, and push it to there. Actually, let's move it away a bit. Something like this. I know I'm using exact pixels and that's a no-no. But I'm just experimenting right now for positioning, and then I'll make it all responsive later. Alright, so we got that going. But I need the width to be double. So let's say the width would be 100 VW, right? Because I want to do this thing where I go to the transforms right here. Let's set the transform to rotate on the Z because I want it to do this. Okay. And maybe, you know, maybe I'm not doing it right, but I like to experiment. Let's put it here. And let's just go right here. Okay, so what happens if I do that rotate? Okay, so rotate on the Z. That's almost what we want. So I'm wondering, does it transform? Does it transform because I have to, let's see here, the transform origin? I'm wondering, should it be right there? Because if I rotate, yeah, that's too much. Okay, I want the rotate origin, which is like where in the element should it stick that anchor. So for example, see this plus sign? That's the anchor, okay? Alright, so that's the center, that's 50-50. And so I guess I'll just keep it at 50-50 for now, which is default, so I can remove that. And let's just see what it looks like. Something like that. Let's move the positioning a bit up. Okay, is this what I want? Yeah, I think that's okay. I mean, I can keep playing with it. Let's see here. So when the slider ends, it should be at 0. So it goes like that. When it's done, it goes like that. Alright, what do you guys think? Like that? We can try that. Remix. Alright, cool. We'll leave it like that. We'll just go like that. Remove it. Alright, so we have our plate container. It's probably not going to be really responsive for now because I'm using fixed pixels on position absolute. But we'll make it work, okay? So let's do this. Go to slide overflow and the slide in. I'm not going to delete this. I'm going to keep it just in case I break anything. So what I can do is just press plus, and we're going to call the slide in new. And are we on the plate? No, we're not. Let me select the plate. I'm going to press rotate, and for initial state on our rotate, we're going to go right here. Okay? And then on the end, rotate, we want to go to 0. And, oh, didn't we have a delay in the last one? I'm going to say delay was like 0.5, but I'll find the number later. Okay, out quint. No, court? I guess the duration needs to be more. There we go. I think it was quint now. There we go. Okay, cool. I think that's done, but let me just go look at the old slide in. We had the move and rotate, so, and it happened 0.5 seconds later. It took okay, it's court. Alright, let me fix that. So it's a slide in new. So I had everything right except for the court. That's what we want. Easier, just one interaction rather than having two. Alright, let's keep going with the slide out. So slide out, new, right there. Let's get the plate. Press plus, rotate, and let's rotate it out. Right there. And this one would happen 1 second. Court. There we go. And actually this should happen on the class. All elements within only children with this class. Cool. Let's go back to the slide in and let me fix this too. Alright, so if this is quick, if we're done, this is a very short tutorial video. Okay, it kind of showed itself there. Okay, that's cool. Oh, I forgot to put the plate containers. Alright, let's fix this. And I forgot to set the new ones here. Yeah, okay. I jumped the gun. Let's fix this. Alright, here we go. Actually, let me just copy this plate container. Paste it here. Delete that. Delete that. Put the new plate there. Plate container. There. Delete the old plate. New plate. Wait. Delete the old plate. Put the new plate in there. There we go. Yep, exactly what I want. Okay, cool. So now I just changed the slider to in and out on the new. I go back here and do the same thing here. We go in and out on the new. Let's check it out. That's in, it's out. That's in. out. Okay, so we're not there yet. So what did I do with the out? I moved it. I started from here, and then I moved it to, well, it's not gonna work because it's on percentages, but I moved it to here. I think I did the reset. Ah, there it is. Yeah, duration 0. So what I have to do is reset it. So on the slide out, I have to reset to where the slide in new is. So the slide in new starts at 118 degrees. Okay. 118. And so the slide out, it'll end at negative 118. Oh, I didn't even know I did that. And then plus, it's going to rotate again to positive 118, but this time the duration is going to be 0. So it just goes off camera or off canvas and then snaps back up to the top. All right, let's see if this works. Snap. There we go. Cool. And so now we just got to fix the positioning. And like I said, the positioning, I knew it wasn't going to work out because I'm using fixed pixels. So let's go ahead and make these pixels not fixed. Let's see here. Negative. Let me do VW for viewport width. So negative 10 VW. All right. So we're close. Something like this. And then negative 10 VW. Okay. Something like this. Okay, let's try it. Stay on the Lazy Susan. Cool. Okay, I think I need to bring it down more. Plate container. I need to bring it down more. Right there. There we go. Not too bad, yeah? Okay. We got it. We got that curve going. Okay, so that's it for this very short tutorial to add on to this custom slider and making the plates rotate. Thanks again to Kevin for giving me the example on how to do something like this. And if you haven't checked out Kevin's YouTube channel, he just started it, Kevin Haag or Haag. That's his username on YouTube. Check it out, subscribe to him. But yeah, to everyone else, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already to this channel, please do so. Also, give it a like if you like this video. If you have any comments or suggestions for a future tutorial, please leave them below and I'll respond as soon as I can. So again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, make the web beautiful. See ya!